mystery you have revealed to me in the tapestry of my life, a remembering heart. God, grant to me a heart that is faithful as the word is made flesh in the breaking of bread. The call you speak to me, the song you sing in me, the desire for you, my God, a faithful heart. God, grant to me a heart that is grateful as the blind one who now sees, sings in praise of your name. The gifts you give to me, the life you free in me, all the goodness you bestow, a grateful heart.
God, grant to me a heart that truly loves as the one who surrendered his life for his friends, that I may dare to be more true to you in the face of all who need a loving heart.